Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT convertible. It has full ground effects, high wing, NPP exhaust, carbon flash metallic painted roof, and is painted in red mist metallic on jet black interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So we got the trunk here. So here's your trunk lid. And then inside you can see nice spacious trunk here. It does have the cargo net as well. You can fit 2 bags of golf clubs in here, just to give you an example. And we'll close this up here. It does have the soft close. We'll zoom out next. So you get the black roof, and you can see the nacelles are done in the carbon flash metallic, as well as the whole roof. Here's your engine. So it's a mid-engine, 6.2 liter V8 producing 495 horsepower. It's paired to the 8-speed dual clutch automatic. Coming back here, you're going to see the carbon flash Stingray there, and of course the carbon flash high wing. We got the LED taillights. We'll see them on in a bit, and then down below you're going to see the NPP performance exhaust, which is an active exhaust system, so you can open and close the valves to make it louder or quieter. All right, we'll check out the wheels next. So we've got the 5 open spoke carbon flash metallic wheel. It has the machine outer ring, and it's got the Michelin tires all the way around. We have edge red brake calipers, and we'll check out that front wheel here. Here's your front wheel, and those calipers do say Corvette on them. Front tire size is a 245/35 ZR19. And I just realized I didn't say the rear size, so let's come back here. I'll give you that size as well. So it's a 305/30 ZR20 in the rear, so nice staggered pattern. All right, back to our interior next. So we got the black door pin. You can see that nice straight gray stitch there. We have the Bose Performance Series sound system. Great sound system with the memory package for your passenger, power windows and locks, and door release there. The dash over here, you can see the stitching continues on the dash as well. Let's just pop open the glove box here so you can see you got hooks in there. Here's your door jambs, nice and tidy. Your Corvette kick plate down there, Stingray I should say. Down here we got the carpeted mats. Here's your 8-way power seat with bolster and lumbar. We'll scan the black leather seat here, and these are the GT1 seats. All right, over here we have the speaker grill in the center and the wireless charge station for your cell phone. All right, close that door up. We'll start back here. So here's your high wing. You see that profile there. There's your carbon flash nacelles. There's your black seats. Carbon flash painted mirrors with the signals built in. We got a C8R decal on the side that was added by the previous owner. That can be removed or taken off, whichever you prefer there. Down below you're going to see the full side skirts done in carbon flash and the matching front spoiler here. Let's just go feel this down here. That all feels good to me. We got front cameras, and then here's your front. So under there and inside we got more storage there, so you can fit some duffel bags in there. Close the trunk lid here. LED headlights here, and you're going to see the Corvette Racing's Jake skull on the hood here. Front looks great. I see a little mark here, nothing major, but just like to point that out. Wheels on this side here. And the last wheel there. All right, back to our interior. So let's go to the mirror first. We got blind spot monitoring in the mirror there. Your Bose Performance Series sound system. We got memory package for your driver as well. Power mirrors, power folding mirrors. Hit that button and back out again. Power windows and your power convertible hardtop on the C8. Power locks, electronic door release. Dash over here, we have heads-up display. Here's your door jambs. Pedals down there, carpeted mats, and again the 8-way power seat. We'll scan the leather on this side. And it looks great as well. All right, we'll jump in. Close up this door here. So we got the nice sleek vents here for the HVAC. Heads-up display controls. Here's your dash lights, dimming lights, and then we have your electronic parking brake down there. On the steering column we got power tilt telescopic wheel. Headlights over here, we have paddle shifters on both sides, upshift, downshift. Z button takes you to your performance pages. Cruise control, we have audio down here, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth there, arrow keys there, and your windshield wiper settings. We'll go ahead and start it up. Push button start. All right, sounds great on fire up there. As you can see, we got the black wheel here with the black center point, flat top, flat bottom. Corvette flags and the horn here. Over here we have your digital cluster here. As you can see, the mileage is 9,495 kilometers. Okay, up in the visor, you got the universal garage door opener. Here's your light sensitive mirror. It also has the rear camera, rear electronic mirror, camera mirror. So that works when the top is up. All right, here's your icon. So 8-inch touchscreen. So it comes with factory nav on the 2LT, as you can see here. We'll go back home here. What else we got? Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect up your phone. We have performance data recorder, all your climate controls. Here's your front cameras there. You can see the nice front spoiler there. And then I'll throw it in reverse. So we got reverse camera as well. Down here's all your automatic transmission controls there, traction control, front camera, and we have a dial over here. So let's bring it back into the gauge cluster. I'll turn the dial to the beginning. So we got weather mode here. You have my mode, so you can customize it. Tour mode, and you notice all the features are changing as we turn them. We got sport mode and track mode. And if I bring it over here, it's changing all those features when we change that dial. Over on the climate control tower, I like to call it the wall, we have all your climate features. We have heated and ventilated seats. Nice feature there on the 2LT. 2 cup holders here, and then we have the console lid here. I'll open that up, put my hand in here, you can feel the depth of it. And we'll go ahead, open up the door here, turn on the lights, and we'll give it a few revs. One more time. It's all right there, and it sounds fabulous. All right, we're gonna jump out here, and let's put the top up. So I'm gonna push this button, pull this button here, watch this go. All right, we got the carbon flash underneath the lid there, so it's nicely painted instead of that flat plastic. Here comes the roof. Again, it's a hard top. You can see all the metallic in that carbon flash. Breaks up some of that paint. Just for a little bit of contrast, we'll get the windows up here. And we'll make our way to the front here. Here's your headlights on the car. And look at this. What a spectacular color on this car. The car just has all the right features. Spin it around, shoot those LED tail lights, and listen to the exhaust just that idle here. Alright, so here we have it. This is a 2021 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Convertible. It's got NPP performance exhaust, high wind, ground effects, carbon flash, metallic roof, and is painted in red mist metallic on jet black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.